Your books scattered everywhere, on the study table, on the bed, maybe even on the floor, and you are thinking, I need a bookshelf, but not a boring one. Well, today I am going to show you something stylish, compact and surprisingly functional. The 7-tiered tree-shaped book rack in walnut finish. Now let's start with the unboxing. And yes, this is a DIY product. That means you have to assemble it yourself. But don't worry, it usually comes with the installation instruction and required hardware. The process is straightforward. If you are assembled basic furniture before, you can finish it within 20 to 30 minutes. Here you will get total 9 boards and each and every board is assigned with a particular number ranging from 1 to 6. This board is marked as 1 here. With this board you will get 1 screwdriver and 28 piece 38mm screws. Screws will be shown within a few minutes. It's a decor piece, it's a space saver and it's a statement for your room. Instead of flat horizontal shelves like traditional racks, this one spreads out like branches of a tree. That gives it a modern artistic vibe. If you love minimal yet unique furniture, this design instantly stands out. Now you can visualize there are total 9 boards. Board 1, 1 piece, board 2, 3 piece, board 3, 2 piece, board 4, 1 piece, board 5, 1 piece and board 6, 1 piece. It is made up of engineered wood with a smooth laminated finish. The surface looks clean and polished. When assembled properly, it feels stable for regular book storage. Now let's talk about the color, walnut finish. The deep wooden tone, walnut, gives it a premium look. It blends easily with light walls, wooden flooring or even darker interiors. Whatever you place it in your study room, living room, bedroom or office, it complements almost every setting. Now let's come to the size. Length 34 cm, breadth 17 cm, height 87.5 cm. What does that mean practically? It's slim and tall, so it doesn't occupy much floor space, perfect for small apartment or compact rooms. If you stay in a flat where every inch matters, this design is a big advantage. Now the main backbone is ready. It's not actually tough. If you follow the instruction manual given with this box, this is the instruction manual. You can make the book storage on your own. If you are unable to do that, follow my steps according to this video one by one. Look carefully. In this way, you will get 7 tires arranged vertically like branches. Each tire can hold books, magazines, novels, small indoor plants, photo frames or decorative pieces. Now you can see the V-shaped portions is ready as well as the backbone is also ready. So now these we have to assemble one by one from the back side. This is the back side and the screws given in this box you have to tighten one by one, and now your bookshelf is ready. You can see here. Now the question, is it meant for very heavy loads? Not really for extremely heavy hardcover collections in bulk, but for regular books, decor items and daily use, it performs well. Now, are there any limitations? Yes, since it's a compact, don't expect it to replace a full-size library cabinet. It's best suited for light to moderate storage. But if your goal is style plus functionality plus space saving, then this product ticks all 3 boxes. And overall verdict, for this design, compact size, bottom storage feature and modern look, The 7-tier tree-shaped book rack is definitely worth considering. Thank you.